Meet Python, a coding star is born. Python is a computer programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum. He started working on Python in the late 1980s. Python was first released in 1991. Python is named after the British comedy group Monty Python. Guido van Rossum enjoyed watching Monty Python. He thought the name was fitting for his new language. Python is an open-source language. This means it is free to use and distribute. Anyone can contribute to its development. Python is constantly being improved and updated. Why Python rocks? Easy to learn, fun to use. Python is very popular among beginners. Its syntax is simple and easy to understand. Python reads like plain English. This makes it easier to learn than some other languages. Python is a very versatile language. It can be used for a wide variety of tasks. These include web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Python has a large and active community. There are many resources available to help you learn and use Python. You can find tutorials, documentation, and libraries online. Python in action. Your first lines of code. Let's try some simple Python code. Open your Python interpreter. Type the following, Python. Print, hello world. Hit enter. You should see hello world printed on your screen. Congratulations. You just wrote your first line of Python code. The function tells Python to display something on the screen. Variables. Storing information like a pro. In Python, you can use variables to store information. Think of variables as containers. You can give them names and put data inside them. Python, name equals Al, age equals 42. Here and our variables. Holds the string Al and holds the number 42. You can use these variables later in your code Python. Print, my name is name. Print, I am age years old. This will print, my name is Al and I am 42 years old. Section 5, loops, repeating actions, saving time. Loops let you repeat a block of code multiple times. This is very useful if you need to do something many times. For example, in Python you can use a loop like this. For I in range 5 print. This is loop iteration this code will print. This is loop iteration 0, this is loop iteration 1, and so on, up to this is loop iteration 4. The loop iterates over a sequence of numbers. In this case, generates the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Section 6. Functions, building blocks for better code. Functions are reusable blocks of code. You can define a function once and then call it multiple times. Python, def greet name, print, hello, name plus, greet, Alice, greet Bob. This code defines a function called. The function takes one argument and prints a greeting. We then call the function twice, once with the argument Alice and once with the argument Bob. Section 7. Python's superpowers. What can it do? Python is used in many different areas. These include web development, data science, machine learning, and more. Web developers use Python to create websites and web applications. Python frameworks like Django and Flask make web development faster and easier. Data scientists use Python to analyze data and create visualizations. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy provide powerful tools for working with data. Section 8. Keep the Python fun going. Resources for newbies. There are many great resources available to help you learn Python. Online tutorials and courses are a great place to start. Websites like Codecademy and Khan Academy offer interactive Python courses. These courses let you learn at your own pace. Books like Automate the Boring Stuff with Python provide a more in-depth look at Python programming. They also offer practical examples and exercises. Section 9. Ready, set, code. Your Python adventure begins. Congratulations. You've learned the basics of Python coding. You now know how to write simple programs, use variables, create loops, and define functions. The world of Python programming is vast and exciting. There's always something new to learn and explore. So keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun with Python.